entering maintenance mode from the keypad of the SmartLiving panel. First enter program mode. Under panel options, come down to maintenance, and use the checkbox to enable this function, and escape, save, and you can see now that the panel is in maintenance mode, so it will do the things that it would normally do if maintenance mode was selected from the hardware jumper. So to disable this, of course, just get back in and do exactly the opposite and uncheck. So we just enter program mode, go to panel options, down to maintenance, and uncheck the box, OK to save, exit, and we return to normal operating mode.